Banana Manners. Once upon a time, I think it was a Thursday, there was a little monkey who lived in the jungle. His name was Thelonious. Thelonious was a busy little monkey, busy bugging all his monkey pals, grabbing and snatching all their favorite things. Like coconuts, like bananas, and to really be a bother, Thelonious loved to tug their tails and hightail it out of there. That was his best joke. Well, his monkey friends didn't think his joke was very funny, but Thelonious thought he was very cool. He wasn't. Thelonious liked to surprise his monkey pals. He would grab a vine and swoop down and take whatever he liked. Thelonious's favorite thing in the whole jungle was bananas. Big bananas, small bananas, a matter of fact, all bananas. He didn't care if some other monkey picked it. Thelonious would just grab it and eat it so fast, what could the other little monkeys do? Well, one day, a very special day, I think it was a Thursday, Thelonious learned something new. Thelonious grabbed the wrong banana. Would the gorilla get mad? Would the gorilla get mean? No. The gorilla was very gentle and very kind and very wise. He taught Thelonious two magic monkey words. The first one was eek, eek. That means please in monkey talk. And the other magic word was that means thank you to monkeys. So now, whenever Thelonious wants something from another monkey, he says his magic word, ee, and he always says, ooh, ooh, when some monkey shares with him. And now, the only thing Thelonious grabs is a jungle vine to swing through the jungle with his friends. And that's cool. The end.